So I've been spending the last 10 days learning how to lockpick, and it's really frustrating on day 10 as I'm starting to get going to have a complete tool failure like this. So I've been using the Covert Instruments FNG kit that I got as a gift for the holidays. And as you'll see in the clips after this intro, I was using this to pick this ABUS 64 Ti 40 successfully open numerous times, and on the final journey of this rake to rake it open, see how quick I could get it, it snapped, and so I had to dig out the end of it and pull it together. It also made me notice after 10 days of using the short hook that I've definitely been putting too much pressure as well and bending it. So after 10 days I'm learning not as much pressure, and then also I need to figure out what tool set to get next. So if you have any recommendations, please in the comments let me know what you think. I'm currently right now looking at the Covert Instruments echelon set, but open for suggestions on what to go for here. This has been a great little tool set, the FNG, really to learn. I've been able to progress through the LPU belt system all the way up to green, unlocking an ABUS 7240 on day 5, and so trying to keep this train going and learning and getting as best as I can over the next 30 days as a challenge I've given myself. So trying to get some new tools in and seeing how I can keep going any further. So enjoy the clips of me raking this open and also single pin picking. Those were the last things that this poor little tool will do. So enjoy. All right, got a new orange lock, ABUS 64 Ti. See if we can try to pick it. I'm gonna go super lazy first just to see if I can rake it open. Nope, does not seem like it's working. All right. Try single pin picking. Definitely oversetting. Try again. There we go. That was a little bit easier once I put more tension on there. Kind of just went right back. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how many. 1, I guess that is 5. Okay. But, yep, there it is. So after single pin picking that with the more tension, I figured I'd try the rake again with the same amount of tension. There we go. This just requires a little bit more tension. There we go. There it is again. Cool. This is day 10 of learning to lockpick. And now I have, after trying to see how quick I could rake this ABUS 64 40 open, I put too much in there, so I snapped the rake, and then this has already been bending over the past 10 days, so it's no longer straight across, so it's actually dipped down. So yeah, so 10 days, looks like it's time to order some new tools. Oh well, enjoy.